Welcome to the first lesson in our MATLAB series. We're starting with the basics, installation and your first run. New to MATLAB? Get it installed and run your first magical command in just a few minutes. Let's walk through the initial steps for getting MATLAB set up on your machine. First, head over to MathWorks to download the free trial. Follow their instructions for a smooth installation process. Once installed, let's launch MATLAB and take a quick tour of the main interface components. Launch the MATLAB desktop application. This is your main environment for working with MATLAB. The command window is where you type commands and get instant results. It's the heart of MATLAB interaction. Next, the workspace shows you all the variables you've created and their current values, helping you manage your data. The editor is crucial for writing and saving your MATLAB scripts and functions. This is where you build more complex programs. Ready for your first official MATLAB command? Let's try something fun. In the command window, type magic3 and hit enter. You'll instantly generate a 3x3 magic square matrix. Pretty cool, right? Finally, explore the help browser. It's your go-to resource for syntax, functions, and documentation. That's it for the first lesson. Let's quickly review and look ahead. Congratulations! Your MATLAB environment is installed and running. You are officially live and ready to code. Next time, we'll dive into variables. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss MATLAB Lesson 2.